So Indoguna Production is a food processing factory located in Jebel Ali Free Zone of Dubai. We have actually 5,500 square meters of food processing plant dedicated to production of convenience food as well as meat specialty product and plant-based product. We are supplying food service as well as the retail industry through our partner and distributor Indoguna Dubai. Indoguna Production has been open since 2016. We actually incorporate in 2012, and this year we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary. Since 2016, we have seen a massive growth into the supply of quality product to the food service market as well as in retail. We are proud of our quality of product. We want to make sure that we bring a difference with product made in Dubai. We've actually focused our growth with export. So we started initially with producing in Jebel Ali Free Zone for the UAE, and then after that we moved within the GCC region. We actually SFDA approved for Saudi Arabia. We've been growing our export in Kuwait as well as Bahrain, and we're currently exporting to Singapore as well as Hong Kong. Export is really the early stage. We're looking at expanding our export capability to other regions of the world, such as Canada, the US, and Australia, especially with our brand of plant-based product, Ariene. We've also diversified a little bit our business model, creating plant-based product line for the retail industry as well as for the food service. So not typically focus on meat product only, but moved into embracing a healthier lifestyle by proposing a plant-based solution for consumer in the food service as well as in the retail market. As a manufacturer, we actually have spent time and effort in looking into our sustainability effort. Today, we are implemented a wastewater treatment plant, allows us to regenerate water and use it for greenery outside our facility. We are also using LED light in the entire factory, and we are in the midst of installing a solar panel solution so that we can power 30% of the plant through sustainable energy program. Well, there's a couple of things that we are putting in place. We work very closely with a marketing company out of Singapore. So with this, we've strengthened our message in the media platform. So a dedicated team that looks after our in-house brand. We focus as well on data analytics, so looking at improving our presence on the media, if it is through Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook platform. As well as promoting quality product to the market. We also diversify our business model the last couple of years by working closely with the retail industry. So today we distribute a brand of carne meat as well as Ariene with Spinace and Waitrose as well as Gibson. So we're much more in touch with the retail market. We as well doing tasting to be close to the clients, just to make sure that the taste profile is enjoyed by the clients before they purchase. We've done as well initiatives like food show, like Food Hotel Asia in Singapore, to represent the brand manufacturer in the UAE, which is distributed in Singapore and in Hong Kong for the Asia part. 2021 has been quite exceptional, obviously recovering from 2020, which has been certainly coming with its challenges. But we've seen growth and impact of over 61% in our revenue for the year of 2021, which is carried forward in 2022. We currently distribute in the entire UAE. In the GCC, we are distributing in Bahrain, we are distributing in Kuwait, we are looking as well at distribution in Qatar. So today Indoguna Production is distributing in the UAE, so we started with Dubai as well and Abu Dhabi, and then lately we have put our focus towards Kuwait, Bahrain, as well as Saudi Arabia. So Indoguna Production is actually SFDA approved. We're also exporting our product to Hong Kong and Singapore, and we are looking and putting our focus towards the Maldives, Australia, as well as France, Canada, and the US. So in the pipeline, we are looking at growing our export in the next coming years. Yeah. Okay, Indoguna Production, we manufacture meat, small good products, so specialty meat items under the brands of Carne Meat and Yumbite. The specialty and the difference is really in the quality of the raw material, as well as the passion put into developing the product. So small goods meat product, from burgers to sausages to strips to specialty product, such as cooked whole duck or bone-in short ribs slow cooked. But one of our key specialties is actually our air dry meat. We actually import the know-how, equipment and seasoning from Europe, and we manufacture air dry meat specialties such as salami, bresaola, copa, in-house here in Dubai, 100% halal and certified by ESMA. We also produce, we have a line of convenience food where we produce Asian specialty such as dumpling and dim sums. This for the food service as well as the retail market. We are also developed lately a brand called Ariene, which is our plant-based certified vegan line of product. So again, embracing a flexitarian lifestyle. For food lovers, vegan, vegetarian, as well as meat lovers, but obviously who wants to have a flexitarian approach and a healthier approach to eating habits. Today, Ariene is being distributed in several retail space here in the UAE, as well in Singapore and Hong Kong. On top of this, we actually also produce OEMs, so private labels, with several brands in the region to provide a quality solution. Today, Indoguna Production is looking at reinventing certain set of skills that we can provide to the market. One of them is consultancy program, where we are helping customers to build a facility from scratch, looking at the various authorities' requirement, sizing of the property, as well as equipment sourcing, SOP, and implementation. So it could be, all the way from design and brief concept, all the way to turnkey project with training and development of product to go straight into the market in a fast track aspect. We're looking as well at supporting chains of restaurants and QSR by providing, a central kitchen solution with a quality product that can be standardized in one facility and distributed inside the GCC country to facilitate expansion of restaurants group and maintain quality and consistency in food flavor and standards. Today, the major market remains the UAE. We are very strong in Dubai as well as in Abu Dhabi. Hong Kong is a market which is reopening after COVID, and we see as well great interest in Singapore. I think in general we're looking at diversifying our export. So the region is very important for us. When we look at the GCC, Kuwait, as well as Bahrain and Oman. These are all very important plans of expansion, and we're currently in discussion for distribution to Australia, France, as well as Maldives. So being located inside the free zone of Jaffza, we benefit from access and convenience to the port,